Virtual farming, a path to financial growth. In today's digital age, innovative opportunities for investment are emerging, and one such avenue is virtual farming. This concept bridges the gap between traditional agriculture and modern technology, offering individuals the chance to invest in farming without the need for physical involvement. Here's an in-depth look at how you can start your virtual farming journey and earn consistent returns. What is virtual farming? Virtual farming is an investment model that allows individuals to contribute funds towards agricultural projects managed by professionals. Instead of owning or managing a farm directly, you invest capital, and the farming operations are carried out by experienced farmers or companies. Profits generated from these projects are then shared with investors based on their contributions. How does it work? With as little as 2,500 and up to 1 million Naira, you can invest in virtual farming platforms. The process is simple. 1. Choose a plan. Select an investment amount that suits your budget. 2. Earn monthly returns. You earn 25% of your invested capital every month. 3. Direct payments. Returns are deposited directly into your local bank account. 4. Duration. The investment lasts for 12 months, providing consistent payouts. For example, if you invest 10,000, you'll receive in 2,500 monthly, amounting to 30,000 Naira by the end of the year. If you invest in 100,000, you'll receive in 25,000 monthly, amounting to in 300,000 at the end of the year. Why virtual farming? 1. Low entry barrier. Unlike traditional farming, which requires significant resources and expertise, virtual farming allows you to start small. 2. Passive income. Once invested, you don't need to manage or monitor the farming operations. Professionals handle the work while you enjoy the returns. 3. Economic impact. By investing in virtual farming, you indirectly contribute to agricultural development, food security, and job creation. 4. Transparency and convenience. Payments are automated and sent directly to your local bank account, ensuring ease and accountability. The benefits of earning 25% monthly. Earning 25% of your capital monthly translates into a robust return on investment. Over the 12-month period, you'll have earned 3 times your initial investment. This model offers an attractive alternative to conventional savings or investment options with lower yields. Before diving into virtual farming, here are a few points to keep in mind. Understand the risks. Like any investment, virtual farming involves risks. Consider diversifying your portfolio to minimize potential losses. Start small. Begin with an amount you can afford to invest without financial strain. This is a win-win for investors and the community alike. Take the first step today. Invest in virtual farming with as little as in 2,500 and watch your capital grow while earning monthly returns. Secure your financial future and join the wave of modern agricultural investment.